Viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Today we're gonna show you how to make chicken and mushroom puff. They are beautiful, lovely, easy to do, and very delicious family meal. Viewers, we're gonna do some chicken and mushroom puff. First of all, we're gonna put some oil in a pan. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion. Now I'm going to add my chicken. We're going to add some green pepper and our mushroom. Now I'm going to season them with a lot of salt and lots of pepper. We're going to saute cheese. We're going to add a little bit of mustard, a little bit of Viewers, I'm going to add a little bit of corn flour to it. Corn flour, we put 1 spoon of corn flour and 2 spoons of water. So what is going to happen when you're going to put it in the puff pastry? This sauce is going to be thick, so no water going to come out on the puff pastry. Look at that. Look how thick it looks. Look. I think we are ready to go. Viewers, we're going to leave it to cool. Viewers, now we're going to put the fillings in the middle. We're going to roll them like that. Make sure that doesn't come out. Then use a fork. That's done. Viewers, we're gonna egg wash it, so it's gonna give it a lovely color and shine to it. Viewers, now we're going to put it in the oven. We're going to put it in, we'll put 180 degrees, about 12 to 15 minutes. Viewers, they come out of the oven. Look at that, how beautiful they look. Wow, I can't resist. We're going to put it in a plate now. Viewers, have a look at my beautiful chicken and mushroom puffs. How beautiful they look. Wow, they look really pretty. Viewers, enjoy, they're delicious. I can't resist. Enjoy my beautiful chicken and mushroom puff. Enjoy. Bon appetit.